Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. Always. So today we're going to be reviewing this product. I have already showed you guys it a little bit, but this is going to be kind of showing you what the product actually does. So this is a builder gel with a little special pump, and I'm going to show you it in a minute. Inside of the box comes a brush, some forms, which I have plenty of, and I don't really use these, so I might be giving plenty of them away in my second giveaway. So this is what it looks like, and I was sent this product NPR, so this is a collaboration with SAVILAND. But I wanted to show you exactly how this little pump works. You're not going to be wasting any gel. You're not going to be spilling any gel. Your gel is going to be completely protected. And I love the little pump because it gives you the perfect amount. All you have to do is push down on the pump a little bit and it disperses the perfect amount of gel. With this builder gel, you can use it to build up your nail. You can use it for a base coat. You can use it on top of a nail to create texture. There are so many different uses for Build-A Gel. I like Build-A Gel to build up my nails to make it, a little bit thicker so that it lasts a long time. Build-A Gel works really good for me in terms of strength so that my nails last a long time. I love Builder Gel. I've been using Builder Gel for a really long time. But this here, the Builder Gel in a little pump bottle, this has been something that I've been wanting for a long time. When I first saw it, I fell in love with the little bottle. And I'm not sure if you can refill the bottle. I'm going to try and see if I can refill it. If not, I might maybe try and see if I can find some empty pump bottles so that when I do get Builder Gel, I can kind of just refill the bottle. Right here, we're going to be creating a little design, a little bit of texture on top of the nail just so that you can see what this Builder Gel does. Like I said, there are so many different uses for the Builder Gel, so you use the Builder Gel as you please. If you are interested in this product, I will be sure to leave the link as to where you can get this product down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out if you are interested in this product. I love the pump bottle as well because it'll keep all the dust and dirt out of your gel. Also, you're only going to kind of pump out what you need, right? And so you're not going to have a bunch of gel on the top that you're not going to be able to use. It won't stay there. And if you do have a little bit of gel on the top of the pump bottle, you can just take a little bit of alcohol or acetone and wipe it off, and it'll be fine. Also, I like this pump because you will be able to protect it, like it won't be hit by any LED or UV light, so it's well protected in that bottle. And as you can tell, Saviland made the actual bottle black, so no light should be able to kind of get through and cure the gel that's in there, so I like that a lot. This powder I've always struggled with. I have a few of these powders and I was trying to use it and rub it in to the nail, and you're going to see a little bit that it just wasn't working for me. Maybe I was doing it incorrectly, I'm not sure, or maybe it just wasn't working with you know what I just realized? Probably the top coat that I have. If it's a UV top coat, but I think it might be a no wipe top coat. So that's not really going to help us out. I believe that we need a sticky top coat so that the gel can kind of stick to it. But really I wanted the powder because I wanted you guys to be able to see the texture there that I put on top. So I'm hoping that you can see the texture. I love Builder Gel so much. Builder Gel is one of my favorite things to work with. You can do so many different things with Builder Gel. I am a gel girl, so I love builder gels, gel polishes, any gel I love. And I'm loving this gel that has a little pump on it. I think it's genius. I think it's such a great idea. Whoever created it is probably a millionaire, billionaire. But I think it is just the greatest idea. I think that all builder gels should come in little pump bottles. SAVILAND, thank you so much for sending me this product. I love SAVILAND products. I have quite a few products from SAVILAND, and I wanted to test this one out for you guys. If you end up purchasing this bottle, let me know how you like it. I'd love to know. I am going to test out this builder gel on my own nails so that you can see how it works. Such an easy product to work with. I love builder gel because all you need to do is make sure that you get up by the cuticle, not touching it, and just drag the product down. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Cure it and you're good to go. So I'm hoping here you are able to see the texture of the nail. That was the whole point. I really wanted you to be able to see the texture that I created. Here I am trying to wipe off some of the powder because I noticed that it wasn't really sticking really well to it, but that's okay. We really wanted to just, or I really wanted to just show, you know, the texture that we created on the nail. So now I'm going to try to put a top coat over it. And I am going to put it in my little UV lamp. I have a UV top coat that I'm using right now. Normally I just use my LED lamp with a no wipe top coat, which is just a regular top coat that can go under an LED light. I don't really use UV really at all. I pulled out this UV light just because it was a UV top coat that I really wanted to use that I haven't used at all, and I really wanted to just use it up. I'll just have UV light just in case. Really, I don't really use UV lights anymore. I really just use my LED lamp. I am going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a short review video just so you guys can see how this product works. Once again, to SAVILAND, I appreciate you collaborating with me. Thank you so much for sending me this product. I love Builder Gel so much. If you have watched this video so far, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.